welcome back to our channel. It's Sophie. I'm super excited for today's video. This video was highly requested. I asked you guys in my last do's and don'ts video if you guys wanted to see an eyelash do's and don'ts, and a lot of you guys said that you did. So I listened to you guys and I decided to create this video today. And yeah, I have a lot of really good tips. If you don't know already, then I have my own eyelash line with my twin sister, so I know a lot about false eyelashes. I actually started wearing them pretty late. I got into wearing false lashes around when I turned 21, and it was a struggle to learn how to apply them properly. So I'm going to give you guys all of my tips and tricks. So if you want to see this video, then just go ahead and keep on watching. Today's demonstration, I'm going to be using my Shop Sophie Bella Jamaica lashes, and I watched a lot of other people's videos and they used two different lashes for the do's and don'ts part, but I really wanted to apply the same exact lash in two different ways just to show you guys how different it can look if you apply it the correct way. So as you guys can see, I lifted the lash with tweezers from the outer corner. Very, very important. If you try to lift it with your fingers, you might rip off a lash and it might just really ruin the lash. So try to be as gentle as possible when taking them out of the package. And as you can see here, my top lashes have no mascara on and they're pointing downwards. And I would definitely say that's the first don't, is not curling your lashes and not applying any mascara to your lashes. If you apply mascara after applying lashes, you might ruin the lashes. For my lashes, I always recommend not applying any mascara just so that you can get multiple uses out of the lash. It's going to make them look really clumpy and really dirty quickly. So if you want your lashes to last, don't apply any product to them. So apply mascara to your natural lashes. And also another don't is applying too much glue and also applying the lash too soon before the glue has time to dry down enough and get tacky. I feel like that's the big mistake that a lot of people make when applying false lashes. You want to look into getting a good glue and also giving the glue time to dry enough. So I'm going to be showing you guys the proper way to do it right now. So first thing I do is curl my natural lashes, and this is going to really help your natural lashes blend into the false lashes, and it's also going to help your false lashes be propped up more, if that makes sense. You guys will see in the next few clips, but I do go in and curl them quite a few times, maybe 5 times or so, and then I apply some mascara to them. For mascara, I pretty much always go in with my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. It makes them nice and black and it gives them a little bit of length. Do not overdo it on the mascara. Just do a light layer that will give them some darkness so that your natural lashes are the same color as the falsies. And then I'm going to be lifting up the lash and I'm going to be trimming the lash. I'm just trimming off 2 little things from the outer corner. Very, very important. Do not trim from the inner corner. Always trim from the outer corner because you see how that lash gets a little bit skinnier and shorter and it has less volume on the inner corner. It's going to blend only if you trim from the outer corner. If you trim from that inner corner, your lashes are going to look crazy. Here I'm just measuring to see if I cut enough off. Always cut a little bit and then slowly cut more and more if you need to. But less is always more. If you cut too much off, you've pretty much screwed yourself. So don't do that. This is the lash glue that I've been obsessed with from the drugstore. It's $5. The Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive with Aloe. It's clear. It has a brush tip. Super easy for application. I personally do not like the duo glue that squirts out. It's really, really hard to have control of how much glue you're putting on. And I always get glue all over my falsie and it can completely ruin a lash if you get glue on the hairs. I'm just applying a very, very, very thin layer. As you can see, I took the excess glue off of the brush just to get a thin layer. And then another do that I do, I always twist and give the band some more flexibility. Especially if it's a first time use, they are not shaped to your eye. If you use them quite a few times, the lashes get more and more comfortable and they eventually shape to your eye. But first time use, they're a little bit uncomfortable. So definitely give the band some flexibility and it will be comfortable from the beginning. So as you can see, there are certain parts of the glue that are becoming clear, and that's how I know that the lash glue is ready to go. I waited about 30 seconds, and you definitely need to wait for that glue to dry down so it's nice and tacky, and you can just apply it once and boom, it's on. Very, very important, I'm looking down at a mirror below me so I can see exactly where my lash line is. I applied it to the center and then the outer corner and then the inner corner. Honestly, some people use tweezers, some people use their fingers. Whatever helps you to get the most precise application, go ahead and do that. But definitely looking down helps the most. And then with my fingers, I always pinch my outer lashes to the natural lashes. And that is pretty much it, you guys. I really hope that you guys learned a tip or two from this video. Honestly, it took me a while. If you're not good at applying false lashes, just keep trying. It's gonna get easier, I promise. And it makes a world of a difference. A lash definitely gives you a boost of confidence, and it really pulls the entire look together. So just keep practicing and you will get it down. I have faith in you. I hope this video helped. If this video helped you guys, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Also, we have monthly giveaways here on our channel, so if you want to be automatically entered, give this video a like. Make sure you subscribe, turn your post notifications on, and then comment done to be entered. Thank you so much, guys, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!